Why are you laying down on the job? Let's get it. Good morning, guys. Today we're going to that turn that I was at last week. I kind of walked you through there. We're going to start that today, and then after that we need to go and just swap out a deadbolt, one of those easy lock deadbolts for a unit that's not working properly. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab the trailer, grab a coffee, and I'll see you guys at the unit. Get it. Hey guys, so I'm back at the unit here. First thing I have to do here is going to be to just take all the rest of this stuff out. I'm putting it in the garage for now, so I can start the maintenance and everything. Already put in that new curtain rod. Kind of went around, put some paint, sorry, not paint, but tape on the areas I gotta look at and fix up. So, just a bunch of green dots everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting all this stuff out. There's a pathway out the back to the garage. The door is right there. So, yeah, I'm gonna start that. That fan up there, we always give them a cleaning. And I gotta take that light off and get any dirt or dead bugs out. So there's nothing in the shower. Next room. In here I'm gonna be making just a cover for that panel, just so it's more aesthetically pleasing. All right, so in the kitchen, this is my stuff. I'll keep the bags and these if I need them. This is garbage. Also, if you're ever doing a flip or a changeover like this, wear your gloves. You never know what you'll find. I got a new fire extinguisher as well. I always try to make them new. For kitchen auto marine. It's good for the kitchen. It's good for anywhere in the home. That grease will be any kind of fires like that. So we leave that there. Okay, guys. Almost fell. So I got the majority, well I got all of it. So there's nothing else in here. Let's put everything in the garage. And now what I do is I'll typically go from left to right. I've also checked all the smoke CO2 alarms. They're all up to date and they're good, so I won't have to deal with them. Little things like this, clean them up. I'll leave it off, or I might just clean it and put it back up because the cleaner's short. So. Never seen a light like that before. Just little clips up top. You open them up. Everybody's trying to reinvent the wheel. So many different kinds of things. The tenant won't have access to this. I have a new deadbolt for this. Doesn't require a padlock or anything. I don't even know what was on there. So I'm gonna probably put that on first. It's an 8 screwdriver, by the way. It's a gyroscope. DeWalt. Press the button. Goes either way. When it's really cold, it doesn't want to work very well, but As soon as it gets to room temperature, you know, just can't be minus 10, 20. I like this little guy. See if we can warm it up. Warm it up, baby. Come on, come on. Yeah. Oop. All right, I'm gonna switch to my drill, let this warm up a little bit. Yeah, cold tools. One sec. Hasn't failed me yet. Just gotta grab some screws there for that latch. There we go. Perfect. Make sure I have two. Sometimes it pays to save deadbolt and stuff from other units and jobs because I won't have to charge my investor so much to change that out, so that's good. All this is just paint. So now what I'll do is I went and I checked all the walls. So to prep from there, what I'll do is I'll just start caulking all the trim and anything else that I see. And then from there, that would be good for painting. I probably won't paint today. What I'll do is I'll come back tomorrow, do all the painting, just to get all the other maintenance out of the way and done. So it's kind of quicker that way. Painting's like the finishing thing too. So we'll get all these caulked and put you guys on time lapse, I guess.
And how careless we could be. 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 And how careless we could be.
Why are you laying down on the job? Let's get it.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not.
So that's it. I did all the caulking. All warmed up.
Get up on it, yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. We lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly. So stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option.
Switch colors, covers, receptacle covers all go in here. I'll let them soak, and then I'll take them out as well and wipe them off and stuff before I leave. You always make sure there's a fire extinguisher. There you go. Well, let's put it so it. There you go, got it. So that's in. Have to cover up this hole here too. I'm just gonna extend it. So it's 5 by 5. I'm just gonna make it 8 by 8. That's good enough. Have this cover plate, 8 by 8 cover plate. I don't know why this isn't covered up from before.
Just be your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur.
Bought this. Just a piece of MDF. I have some hinges for it. I'm gonna attach it to this side. It isn't. I'll show you. I didn't want to buy like a full sheet, so it's like exactly the size of this opening, which kind of sucks, but it's okay as well. I'm just gonna get another piece of trim. I get another piece of trim and put it here, and it'll be taller, so it'll kind of act like a handle, and it's gonna cover that.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're...
Alright, so that's that. Very easy, quick. Here it is that part I told you about. It's not big enough, but rather than putting a handle on here, I'm gonna get another piece of trim that's about probably 1 inch. Just a 1 inch trim. I'm gonna glue and nail it to this edge, and it'll actually be a handle for the entire unit and cover that up. And it'll look decent, so. Alright guys, so the last thing I'll do here today is just put this Velcro strip onto this thing. It's just the cover for the shut off.
Hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I...
There you go. So, I'll come back here tomorrow. So until then, see you guys tomorrow. Get it.